Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Is your red light on your Roomba J9 Plus self-emptying auto refill robot vacuum? So this happened to me recently and I wanted to show you what it was. So I had changed the filter bag and I didn't push this in all the way. I thought I had it in all the way, but once it goes in all the way, you don't really hear a click or anything. Just on all the way, you'll see the light. But if it's not in all the way, that light will be red. So once you get it in all the way, now when you close it, your red light's out. Now it could be that it's full or it's missing a bag also. Here's some other common errors. Bag is missing, improperly installed refill tank is empty. So if your water refill tank or your solution tank goes completely empty, that means it'll be on too. See, when I pull that out, it goes red. So it could be that that's not installed either correctly. Or if we have a water leak, or the evac is clogged, or there's just an evac error. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.